Welcome back. So I fixed beaded fringe on the sleeve of this outfit. Let me just show you. I know you've seen this before, but I just want to show you how that you could do this with an invisible thread. So I tied it right there, but I don't even know if you can see it very clearly. So I picked 6 crystal beads right there. This is crystal beads in size 4, by the way. So I'll put 6 of them right there, and by the time I bring it out, next thing I'm going to be doing is to put this teardrop bead right here. I'm going to put my needle into the smaller side of the bead, and the next thing I'll do is I'll pick a sand bead to lock. At this point, you can use any type of bead to lock it if you so desire. This right here is what it looks like, but I figured you do not see it clearly. That's why I want to do it on this stencil so that you see. So we just tied it right there, and we'll tie it a second time. By the time I'm done tying, I'm going to pick the crystal, which is a size 4 crystal, and I'll put 6 into the needle. Feel free to use as many as you want. If you want to make it longer, you want to make it shorter, it's absolutely up to you. So I'll just put it right there. That's 6 right there, and the next thing I'm going to pick is the teardrop bead right there. So I'll just do that, and I'll pick another size 4 of this bead, the same bead, and then I'll just put it in and push everything all the way to the top, right? Next thing I'm going to do is to push down that last one and put my needles through all the other beads right there. Now the bead is small, so it's not go through all of them at the same time, so just manage it. So I push it all the way right there, but there was one last one left, so I'm going to put in my needles through the last one. By the time I put it in, I'll just bring it out, and that right there is what we're going to be working with. So this right here is what it looks like this. Now it's up to you how you want to tie it. So I can push my needle into the fabric a little bit and bring that at the back right there and just tie it right there behind the fringe to hide it, or I can just put the needle out, let it come out at the back like this. So by the time I've done this, I'll just turn the stencil to the back and just tie it right there at the back. Feel free to do it however it is that you want to do it. If the fabric is patterned, then you can, but right now the fabric is not, so this is how I'm going to be doing it. I'll just put my needle inside, roll it like twice or 3 times, and then pull it right there. Use your finger to adjust it to make sure it is sitting put and it stays put. Grab a scissors, cut off the excess thread, and that's it. So this right here is what it looks like, and this right here is how it looks like on the sleeve by the time I did several of it. Thanks so much for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.